This is the elevator here at JCPenney at Woodbridge Center Mall in Woodbridge, New Jersey. And guess what? It's Montgomery. That doesn't light up. That does. 2. Someone called it. Your basic JCPenney elevator. Again, this is a Montgomery. Car number 2. Coming in?
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. I will end the tour on 1. Capacity 5,000 pounds. Chime sort of sounds like it's coming out of the phone speaker. Check the interlock. I can't quite make out what that is. This is definitely a Montgomery, though. I seriously doubt that this is a Westinghouse. Or a Dover. Those doors could use some adjustment. That's it.